Good morning everyone ออกไป vacation กันเด้อพาไปเที่ยวบาฮามาพาไปเที่ยวเม็กซิโกพาไปเที่ยวโบสถ์โอเคไปพี่น้องเลยไปดูกันเด้อมากำลังออกไปหามุกเสาตอนนี้นะโอเคออกไปแต่เสาCoffee you want some coffee right here โอเคบนหนังเลยทุกคนมันหนังถ่า7 โมงขึ้นยนต์ตอนนี้กำลังหอนหาโมงเสาเขาก็มันทางถ่า2 ชั่วโมงนั่งถ่ามาไวดีกว่ามาสายเนาะทุกคนsit this is the gate we're gonna get out right so sit right here this is the best oh the jet
Oh good
okay alright พี่น้องเอ้ย
You want to go to the front row right
yeah front row jet blue เข้าไป jet blue เด้อ right here you got the chart
Yeah
โอเคทุกคน นั่งถ่าประมาณ2 ชั่วโมง Good morning
I want to go swimming
we going swimming we go relaxing you know have fun enjoy the sun go to get suntan okay guys follow me you want to see พวกแกอยากเห็นตามมาเราจะพาไปเที่ยวโอเคมาทุกคน What you eat คาไมแบทฟรายเบอร์เกอร์นี่ร้านทรายคาไมสับไส้แซ่บปอคาไมแซ่บปอแซ่บหลายแฟนไฟและเปิดอ่านเสาเด้อมาแล้วปีรถมาแล้วปีรถขับยนต์กับพวกเสิร์ฟไฟอัทเทนเดนต์ไก่จะออกเลยพี่น้องเลยยนต์กำลังถ่ายนต์กำลังถ่าตอนนี้ก็ What time is it? 7 o'clock almost คนกำลังมาพี่น้องเลยคนกำลังมาเตรียมตัวออกทรายยนต์ก็มาแล้วพี่น้องเองOkay, this is my seat right here. Okay. Alright. Okay, everyone. พอแล้วเด้อเขามาอยู่ในนนยนต์แหละไปเรียบไปลินต่างประเทศ มาเด้อทุกคนมาหมุนกันฝนตกมื้อนี้นะ It's rain a little bit. It's raining. on the top no more rain, huh? Only the bottom. You know, easy, not that traffic, you know. They have a lot of lane. Look at this. Oh, about to touch down. Oh yes. Oh, touch down. Touch down. Oh my God, my army here come. Here I come, my army. Right? Fort Lauderdale, my army. Nice and warm. Nice and warm, beautiful. Here I am. Oh yes, nice and warm. Beautiful. How you
Oh,
feel?
yeah. Oh,
Nice and
feels
warm.
great.
Feel good, right?
Much better.
Yep. All right. Okay, Bessel. Oh, here come my. Here เขาพวกข่อยร้านทรายข่อยcome my. How you feel, come my? Feel good? Fun, right? Yes.
What?
Cheese.
What
What you
what,
say?
got sick?
What happened?
You got air sick? Oh, when it was shaking.
Okay, ไปเอาเครื่องทุกคนเลยเดี๋ยวฮอตแล้วฮอตแล้ว
Here.
ใช่หูทุกคนฮะซอสโอ้หาดพี่น้องเอ้ยหาด outside beautiful here too
This is a security advisory. For your safety, please do not leave baggage unattended.
Okay, we at my army. Baby at one over here. What location over here?
Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale. Okay, we at downtown Fort Lauderdale, and we're looking for some to eat. Okay, here we go. We're gonna sit in this restaurant and see what they got, and enjoy the food. That's it. Oh, they got the bar in here too. Fort Lauderdale, right? Fort Lauderdale.
Yeah.
The truffle fries, and I do recommend the meatballs. If you feel beef and pork, I'll bring it out with some nice bread. You'll mop that right up. Okay, it's amazing. Also, if you want to get a little Italian style, or you can do the Asian calamari.
Yes, everybody. Happy lunch at Fort Lauderdale, right? All right, Fort Lauderdale. Okay. Happy Friday. Come on, happy Friday. Happy Friday, baby. Yep. Oh, God.
they're running this border.
You checked the border yet? Oh, you did? The outside. Oh, that's cute. Look at this cute car.
We have them in DC.
Have DC?
Someone got one?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they start.
They have the DC now? Oh, okay. Wow. Look at the food. Ooh. Hi.
You want, I can take photos for everybody, okay?
That's really good. What kind of meat is that? Excuse me.
Look at that. Burger?
Oh, like burger. What you add eat?
The best for last.
Yes, the best for that. Yes. I want to taste. You take a picture now. Oh, come on, looking good. Come close to you, come on, come close. Come close, baby. Come close. Yes, like that. Let me taste you pad Thai.
He approves?
Taste pad Thai.
Good? This is good too.
It's like a weird shape.
Good. Good.
I've never like had this shape.
Oh yeah, that
Very good. Oh, cho em bao nhiêu order? Ngon pasta. Looking good. Pad Thai good too. Look good. Yep. Salty and sour a little bit. Food looks so good, huh?
good spot.
Yeah, right spot. Oh,
Small city.
here we go. My house for 7 days. Big one. Look at it. Look at this. Oh my God, that's beautiful. Oh my God, look at this. It's beautiful.
Bigger than Icon to see. That's crazy.
Oh my God, that's nice. Big one, okay? Oh my. Big one.
That's 12,000 right there. 14,000. I can do that.
And look, that's carnival here.
คนเดียวอารมณ์อันนี้ว่าเขาอันนี้ I can't see.
That's royal.
No, we MSC. I love MSC.
I'll pour with her. Pretty good.
You guys membership in there?
Like,
Yeah.
Membership?
like go that way.
Yeah.
So when they do something, they email you something like that when they go.
Carnival, like, hurt really bad. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is another boat here too.
Carnival right here. Sunrise, okay.
มันผู้ใดอยากมา
Don't
ไป
they go to
ครูซ
Canaveral?
ต้องมาไมอามี่ฟลอริดาเด้อทุกคน The boat docking over here wait for everybody.
There's the crazy.
That's the ratchet shit.
So, what part of Miami is this here?
This is the Bayside. This
Oh,
is
okay.
down like kind of like downtown
Okay, downtown. All right.
city. That's a whole ship right there. Almost in the class or Carnival.
Yeah. How old is it?
Like 90s.
Really?
It's
Old school.
Miami. We are in Miami at Florida. Miami, South Florida, huh? We are in Miami party.
We're not used to seeing this part of Miami. We're always on the tourist side.
This is the part I would live in. Oh, yeah.
Never caught that side. That side.
Do you like the beach
Nice. Yeah, see, like when we ever come Miami, like we should do like the city stuff.
I've been to the side.
I'm saying me too.
Yeah, the Bayside is
DC all the time. Yeah, Sean, me and Lauren go to DC like every other weekend. Let's go to the museum. There's a lot of stuff to do out there.
All together.
Yeah, the live weight and all that. Pretty crazy.
You heard about what they discovered? Covered by water. It goes deep. Like, yeah, you'll feel. I mean, if you really
just
get
driving
into it,
through.
oh man, you're gonna find out a lot of stuff.
You know, it's pretty cool. There's
friend of mine.
about an hour away from me, and it's a pretty deep lake, but there's a big drought, and they found that there was a whole town that was buried underwater. And there, I was like, what?
They have tunnels all over this planet.
It's pretty cool.
Underground cities, like the one in Turkey. I forget the name of it. Amazing stuff. Far back they go.
Yeah, see, this is
But they have
Good
underground cities
Miami, we don't
that they
really see.
and
$20 for parking.
over in the Mesopotamia area, they said that were from the Lemurians. It's a lot, bro. It's a lot.
Yeah.
Please do not feed the animals.
Sun up, beautiful sun up in the morning. Oh wow, not beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow, look at this. ออกมาฝนตก ฝนตก 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 Oh wow, it's raining.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
They normally use this area.
It's like when you get winter, it's like, but it's not what the lake, not what it's dry slide.
Okay. All right, that's cool. I like that. That way I don't have to be wet. If I just want to just have fun. Okay. That makes sense.
Ooh, look at this. This is Miami, everybody. This is Miami. I am part in my army. I am here at my in my army. How about that? Look at this.
For the craziest lady in the audience, when I say if you want to win, I'll hear you make some noise, all right? Ladies, if you're ready to win, let me hear you make some noise! You man right there, flower shirt, bring it on down. Give us some music right there. Come on down here, yes. Oh, yes, you're the only one got up for me. That's what I'm talking about. She was shaking those flowers. Come on up, yes. We got to get you all the way up here. You're the first one to win. What's your name? Amanda. Where you from, Amanda? OH. Okay, 2 IOs over there. And who you cruising with, Amanda? Who's with you?
Ohio.
Oh, you celebrating anything or just yours cruise?
Everybody fly
Congratulations,
over
happy
here.
graduation. Well, she was having some fun. Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Emerson Miller. I'm your cruise director, and on the ship and out at sea, they call me the good Reverend Dr. E. Let me hear you say, Dr. E. Say it like you mean it. Say, Dr. E. And as you can see, my hugs are free, so bring it all the way in. Lock it in. Don't just try to give me a church pat. That's right. I see y'all around, floating around the ship. Make sure you're giving hugs. And I'm from a very small town. A lot of y'all have probably never heard of. It's called Atlanta, Georgia. Yeah, we got two cousins over there. Person, piece of A-Town now. So that's me. That's where I'm from. It's time to get into it. I'm here to make sure you're ready to win. Who likes free stuff? Who likes free stuff? Good. So I'm gonna get y'all some free stuff, some giveaways. I hope you got your name in the box, but most importantly, let you know how to get around this beautiful brand new vessel. Okay, so first things first, everyone will need their cruise card when exiting the ship, even the kids, even if they're in your lap, they still need the cruise card. If you get the wristband, that's great, but you cannot use the wristband to exit. You can use it in and out of cabins, to purchase things at the bars, all that jazz, but exiting the ship, you need the cruise card and photo ID. Say it with me. Photo ID. Say what? Photo ID. Especially if you're 18 years or older, because you'll need that not for us, but for the shoreside security. We come back then and actually match up both cards. And here's our itinerary. As you can see, we'll be at Cedar Mar, Costa Maya, Rotan, Honduras, Cozumel, and then C-Day, and wrap it up with the Fabulous Day at Ocean Cay. It's a beautiful time. Now, as you can see, each port has an arrival time and a departure time. The arrival time is where we as a ship arrive. It's where we as a ship arrive. So we as a ship, not to where you as an individual walk off the ship. What does that mean? If it says we getting in Costa Maya at 8 a.m., I don't want to see you down there at 7:30 time. So Captain said we're getting in at 8, and I just want to be the first one out. Go somewhere else, do something else with yourself, all right? You're on vacation. We got to make the gangway is all nice. We got to at least get 3 pirates, 4 gold coins, 2 dolphins before we can even get the gangway out and ready to go. So after you hear my announcement, then you come down to the gangway and we get you out there. Now each one is the departure time. Now the most important part is the back on board time. All right, back on board is 30 minutes before departure. Don't be late or get left behind. Please make it back to the ship on. Don't be late to get left behind. Please make it back to the ship on time. Don't be late to get left behind. Please make it back to the ship on time. Don't be late to get left behind. Please make it back to the ship on time. Don't be late to get left behind. Please make it back to the ship on time. That's the last photo I promise none of y'all want to have. I promise you. Especially in Cozumel. For the experienced cruisers, they know. They know to get up there and watch everybody else running back to the ship in Cozumel because they had one too many senior frogs that came hop back on board. So trust me, it happens. It's a lot of good fun to see. You'll see a grown man leave his entire family because the set gangway is pulling out. So come on out and join us right there. No food can be taken ashore. All right, we'll have dogs, sniffing dogs out there. Well, not dogs, but they'll be sniffing you. This is a bag of people who thought they could smuggle food into Mexico. Why? Why would you think you could do that right there? No banana hammocks, no burritos, no cookies, no cake, nothing, no apples, nothing, all right? You don't want to be the one holding up a line full of people because you want to pack an extra taco going into Mexico. Why would you do that? They have tacos there. Now, so make sure you want to do it, get it off, and have some fun. Shore excursions are amazing. We've taken care of all the legwork for you, literally and figuratively. And these ports are called amazing destinations in order for you to experience them. You want to be on an organized tour. Not only organized, but they're insured, and we know that you're going to have a good fun. We're not leaving it up to chance. We're making sure you get the best options for your vacation and to spend your time out in the ports of call. This is our team. I'll bring them up here in a moment. But before we do that, all of these shore excursions that I'm going to be going through, including more, are going to be offered in the app.